over here, if I come up here and I click on reload button, you can see that the money I made is still entered. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can be able to drive organic traffic from Facebook groups. Now, recently, there are a lot of policy implementation by social media platforms that is restricting sharing of links and getting organic traffic from other social media platforms to other places. That means taking people away from the platform, okay, in the name of generating traffic from the social media platform. So in this video, I'm going to share with you a secret method that you can implement when you want to drive traffic from social media platform either to your website or to your CPA offer. As you can see right over here, this is what we are doing every single day. And this kind of thing requires effort. You cannot just sit down and expect result. You need to work for you to be able to get the result that you need. Okay. So now what we're going to do, so before we dive into today's video, okay, properly, let me go ahead and log you straight into my dashboard. And if I log in by clicking on this button, you can basically see how much I have made so far today on this CPA Grip account. Now, this is disclaimer, guys. The money that I make is not a guarantee that you are also going to make the same amount. Individual earning may vary because of personal effort, how you can apply the strategy and the effort you are going to put in order for you to achieve the same result matters a lot. So now over here, if I come up here and I click on reload button, you can see that the money I made is still entered. First is to show you how you are going to practically get access to high converting offer that will make you some money from the platform, right? So I'm going to come here and right over here, this is monetization tools. I've explained these tools in my previous video, but I will continue to explain them because of newcomers that are just watching my video for the first time. So if I scroll down, you can see there's another option, offer tools. In the case of monetization tools, what you need to do is to create a digital content that you can actually put in right here and lock it with the content locker. And the link of this content locker is what you are going to be distributing all across the social media platforms so that I can be able to earn money from it. Then this one is offer tools, where you can actually get access to offers that you can actually promote in order for you to go ahead and earn from it. But these offers are specifically from different countries, all right? So, but I don't normally pick offer from any of these two options. In most cases, I pick offer, but not all the time. So I'm going to go ahead and take you straight to where I pick offers that I push to different places in order to generate organic traffic and make money consistently from this CPA network. Remember that whatever strategy I am sharing with you is for educational purpose, and it is not a guarantee that everybody will make equal amount of money. Okay, so effort you are going to put determines how much you could make from this platform. About whether it is paying or not, the guaranteed about whether it is paying or not. CPA network, they are all paying, okay, if you earn legitimately from the platform, and that is the way it works. Now, what is CPA? CPA means cost per action. This means that you are going to get paid if your audience take action on the link that you are actually promoting. And what is these actions? The actions is when they fill up forms, the survey form, they put in email address, and they put in other information required from the CPA survey platforms. Now, once this action is taken, then the CPA platform will go ahead and pay you a commission for every single action that your audience are taking from this platform. That is why when you want to promote any CPA network, make sure that if you are promoting on social media, make sure that you use a strategy that will actually interest the audience, that will enable them, because it is the interest that will make them to actually want to click your link. For example, you are watching this video because you are captivated and you clicked on it. And that's exactly what you are going to do to captivate the audience that you are also targeting to make them click on your link and enable you to make money for doing that. And because of this process, it requires time. It is not quick, get rich quick scheme. All right. So you need to take time to actually understand how the system works and how to implement the strategy you are going to come up with in order for you to make money from the platform. So in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you a strategy on how you can be able to generate organic traffic using CPA, grip, and also getting your traffic from Facebook groups. All right. And the question is, if I post on Facebook groups, are my links not going to be removed? Don't worry. It's a trick that I'm going to share with you so that I can be able to use the link on this Facebook, and also your link will not be removed because you are going to be following the policy of the Facebook to share your link on the platform. So let's jump right into it. So now the first thing I'm going to do is to scroll down and take the high converting offer. If I come up here, you can see high converting offers that are all listed on the top performing offers. These are high converting offers. So coming over here, you pick this one if you want to promote them. And as you are picking them, you are also taking note of the country itself. All right. So like this one is Italy, and this one is Portugal. And then this one right over here is another Italy. And then we have Netherlands. So based on the interests of your audience, you are targeting any of this offer you want to promote. So the next thing we're going to do is to go ahead and create a simple landing page that we're going to be using to actually promote all of this, because these offer links are not allowed on social media platforms. So you cannot actually post affiliate links on any social media platforms as it is now. So what you need to do is to place these links on a landing page so that you can be able to distribute the link of the landing page across any social media platforms you want to generate leads. Okay, so if you have selected all the offers you want, then the next thing is coming over to a Google site. And I love Google Sites so much because that is what I use to create all my landing pages. So if I'm creating 20 landing pages in a day, I'm using Google Site because it is free and very simple to actually understand how to navigate and also design your UI user interface for your landing page. So once you're on the landing page section here, all you need to do is to insert links of different text box. Okay, once you insert text box here, then you insert link. If you insert another text box, you insert link. If you insert another text box, insert link. If you add images, you can also embed links on different images as well. So this is how my own landing page looks like, and that is exactly how I promote with this. So I'm going to come here and click on published, and I'm going to come here and click on published site link. And that is giving me a unique link I can copy finally for my landing page. Now we're moving straight to the next section where we're going to be understanding how to drive traffic from Facebook groups. I don't want to waste much of your time, guys. I want to dive right into the main purpose of this video. Okay, guys, so the first thing you need to do is to log into your Facebook account. And once you log into your Facebook account, the first thing you're going to do, come over to the search bar here and you're going to search for make money, okay? And once you are searching that, you're going to see different Facebook groups, okay, about making money, depending on the niche that you want to target your audience from. All right, so I'm going to be targeting people that want to make money online, because the way I can be able to make people to actually click on my link as a strategy is getting those people who want to make money online. All right, so what I'm going to do is to come over here, this group, I'll go ahead and click on it. You can see this group is from USA. This one is no location is identified, but definitely from somewhere. So I'm going to click on it. And then as I click on that group, I'm going to wait. And right now you can see that there's over 1,100 persons inside the group. So what I'm going to do now is to come right over here down. And first of all, I will look at the about us in the group. Okay. So if I come to inside the group, I'll be able to see about, and you can see make money fast, earn quick money, dollar arbitrage, affiliate marketing, Okay, updates, learn how to start an affiliate marketing program. Okay, so About Us has already given me an idea of exactly the kind of audience that are inside this group. So having to understand what are the people inside this group, okay, this means that most of the people inside this group, they want to make money. In fact, the reason they join this group is that they are looking for strategies that they can use to start making money. Why some of them are also mentors and also marketers like me. So when I want to target this audience, I'm going to be very, very strategic in targeting them. If not, none of them will want to click on my links because some of them even want me to click their own link. So you might be in my shoe when you are promoting your offer links or your CPA offers on groups, and nobody is interested in clicking your links because the people you are actually promoting it to, they are even your boss. They are your gurus that also want you to even click their own link. So how can you actually make your boss to take action on your link? So this is why we have to be strategic, and we cannot just be strategic on our own. We need an AI software to actually do this. So we're going to be using ChatGPT to actually force our own boss, our own leaders, our own gurus that are in these groups that are marketing or promoting different products that also want me to click their own link as their target audience. So I want to change the narrative and make them to even click my own link, and I will make money out of it. This is a strategic method. It is not a trick. It is not a black hack method. This is something legit, and you must do it in a way that will actually captivate these people in order for you to make money from the system. All right, guys. So now we are currently on ChatGPT, and we're going to be using ChatGPT to go ahead and control how we are going to be in generating organic traffic from Facebook groups. And what we're going to be doing here, we're going to make sure we give ChatGPT detailed instruction about what the group that we want to get the traffic from is interested on. So right over here, we're going to come and paste the prompt. So if you want this prompt, just go ahead and leave a comment below this video, and I'm going to forward the prompt to you. The prompt is a bit lengthy, but what we want is just to get just a short post on that we're going to be publishing on Facebook group. So let's say let the posts be very short. Okay. So now, if you need this, go ahead and drop comment below this video, and I'm going to go ahead and forward it to you. All right. Then what we're going to do is to go ahead and click on send. All right. And let's wait for the response that ChatGPT is going to give us. First thing we're going to do is probably read brief of the prompt. Let's say the people in the group want to make money online. So they are looking for simple strategy and apps that can help them to make money online. They also market different platforms on the groups about making money from websites. But now I want to promote my CPA offer and make them to click on my CPA link. Then they will be triggered to submit the form. I think to get something very valuable to them and what they are interested on, please create a short post. So this is exactly what ChatGPT is going to be giving to us. So this is a short post, a short curiosity-driven Facebook group post tailored to your audience interest in making money while encouraging CPA link clicks without violating policy rules. So we're going to come over here, look at the instruction. New trick just dropped. If you are serious about making money online, this simple method is something you don't want to miss. So this is not violating Facebook policy. You can go ahead and post it. It is working right now, and people are using it to get results with just their phone. I just tested it, and the outcome was shocking. Okay, now you can see, click the link below to see how it works. Okay, don't sleep on this. So this is what we're going to be posting. You are going to go ahead and copy it. Below it, you can see your CPA link right over here. So take note that we don't post links inside the group. We don't post link alongside with the post. So what we're going to do now that we have this, we're going to copy it and come straight to the Facebook. So right now we are in the Facebook. We're going to scroll down here, and here we're going to click on submit something, and we're going to paste it. So after pasting this short document, okay, as you can see right here, let me format it and create some space. And then we're going to leave a link for the CPA offer. Remember, we're going to be dropping link of our landing page, not the offer itself, okay? Because if you put any affiliate link on any group, Facebook, in the next 5 to 10 seconds, you are going to see your Facebook account getting blocked, okay? So avoid doing that. It is not allowed. So don't put the link here. We're going to be dropping the link in the comment. So come over here and say link in the comment. Finish. That is all you are going to do. So go ahead and click on send this post. All right. And once you drop this and you have not published the link on the comment, they're going to begin to see comment coming up. People are going to be asking for where is the link? Where is the link? And so on. So come over here, and this is the post we have just published. So come to the comment section, just like this. I'm going to come over here and copy the link of this landing page. So copy the link like this, and we're going to come over here again on the Facebook comment section. Okay, so right over here on this Facebook page, okay, so this is the comment section. We're going to paste the link. So let's put it like this, link here. All right, then go ahead and paste the landing page link, guys. So once you paste the link here, go ahead and click on send, guys. Okay, go ahead and click on send. So let me send it so that you will not think it is not working. It is working. This is the magic that you need. All right. So after sending it, just leave it like this. And the next you're going to do, so click on these 3 dots so that I can go ahead, and if you want to edit or you want to pin the post, the link, so that any other comment, this one will be at the top. Anyone that comes in will definitely see the post at the top. All right, guys. So in case if you are stuck in the process, or maybe you are confused and you need personal assistance, you need one-on-one guide in order for you to get it right. Of course, I provide mentorship. If you are interested, the link will be below the comment section and the description of this video. Okay, you can also go ahead and send me WhatsApp message or send me email directly if you want. All right, and you're going to go ahead and enroll into my mentorship. All right. Now, if you have not subscribed, smash the subscribe button and turn on the bell icon. This way you get notified once a new video is published. All right, and also come over here and click on the join button so that you become Macro Hustle big fans. And every single Sunday, I drop awesome, amazing plugins that you need in order for you to be successful and be making money online. I will see you guys in my next video, guys. Peace out.